Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic simplification of a fraction, which is exercise 1.5 part 3 class 6 mathematics. Last video we already discussed about multiplication and division, which you will get in the description box the link of playlist. Now we will start number 3 where we simplify some fractional thing. Let's start. Number A, we can write in here. Here is 1 of 2 by 3 of 1 by 5 divide 1 by 9. Look, here is a sign of. Here is its look or its acting. Of means suppose 1 by 2, it means 1 of 1 by 2. So it will be in here acting as a multiplication, but this power is more than division, because as per Bodmash we have to work first bracket and then these off. Okay, and next are we already know about things, so our topics is just here is division and multiplication and off. So 1 2 by 3, this is a mixed fraction. We can write this 1 times 3 is a 3 plus 2 is a 5 by 3. So again we can review 1 2 by 3. It means 1 times 3, it means this is an integer and this is a denominator, so integer times denominator plus numerator 2 and divide by denominator. Okay, so 5 by 3 of 1 by 5 divide 1 by 9. Be careful, you cannot work first this portion. Okay, never. So look, here is 5 by 3 of 1 by 5. So these 5 and 5 we can divide each other, but because 5 divided 5 is a 1. So here is a 1 and here is a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1 and here is 3. We can write 3 and this division side we can put here 1 by 9. Okay, now 1 by 9, once we divide any fraction from another fraction, so first fraction will be unchanged and second one we will multiplying second fraction reciprocal. It means second fraction will be flipped, so 9 by 1. So 9 divided 3 is a 3. Our answer is 3. Okay, trying to discuss briefly, because once you are become experienced person, once you become knowledgeable person, that time it's very easy for you, but in beginning steps you have to carefully run. Number B, here is 3 2 by 3 times 4 divide 5 of 4 7 by 12. Okay, now all mixed fraction we have to make improper fraction first. This is our first work. So 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 plus 2 is a 11 times 4 by 15 of, here is 12 times 4 is a 48, 48 plus 7 55 divide 12. Now we will do this one first. Of always first, then other sign. Okay, either division, multiplication, plus or minus. Okay, be careful about this one. So look, here is 4 and here is 12. This one we can divide by what? We can divide by 4. So 12 divide 4 is a 3 and 4 divide 4 is a what? 1. And here is 55 and here is 15. We cannot divide anything, so we can write 11 divide 3 times 1 divide 15 times, here is 55, 55. 1 times 55 is a 55 and 15 times 3 is a 45, right? So no need this multiplication. Now what can we do? Look, here is a 55 and here is a 45. So we can also did in here like 55 we can divide by 5, so here is a 11, and this 15 we can divide by 5, so here is a 3, right? So in this case here is, we can write 1 times 11 is a 11, 3 times 3 is a 9, right? So here is a 3 times 9 is a 27, and 11 times 11 is a 121. Now we can divide 121 divide 27. So what will be the answer? If you want, you can use calculator. 111 divide 27. So here is a 4. We can write 4. 4 times 7 is a 28. Carry 2. 4 times 2 is a 8. 8 plus 2 is a 10. So here is a 3 and here is a 1. Right? So we can write this one 4, then 13 divide 27, and this is our answer. Number B. A done. Number B. Here is, look, 3, 2 by 3. If you want, you can write directly in here like 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 times 2 is a 11, divide 3 times 4 by 5 of, here is 4 and 7 by 12, it means 4 times 12 is a 48, 48 plus 7 is a 55, divide 12. Okay, then look, we have to do of always get more priority than any sign like division, multiplication, plus or minus. So 12 you can divide by 4, so here is a 3, and this 55 you can divide by 5, so here is 11. So here is 11 by 3 times 11 times 1 is 11, and 3 times 1 is a 3. Okay, then 11 times 11 is a 121, 3 times 3 is a 9, so 121 divide 9. So what will be the answer? Suppose this 12 we can write 1, so 9, 12 minus 9 it will be 3, 1. So then here is a 3, so 27 divide 31 minus 27 it will be 4, right? So our answer is 13, 4 by 9. This is our answer, and number B done. Now number C. Number C. Here is 1 by 2 divide 3 by 4 of 8 by 9 times 1 4 of 4 by 5. So we can write this one in here, 1 by 2 divide 3 by 4 of the 8 by 9 times this mixed fraction, we can write improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is a 5, 5 plus 4 is a 9, divide 5. Okay, so look, this division and this multiplication will not do anything. So first we will work in of. So 8 divide 4 is a 2, 9 divide 3 is a 9. Okay, so here is 1 divide 2, divide 2 times 1 is a 2, 3 times 1 is a 3, and then multiplication 9 by 5. Now second fraction will be flip once you divide, because 1 by 2 divide become multiplication, and 2 by 3 become 3 by 2, and here is multiplication 9 by 5. So look, here is nothing we can divide. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 5 is a 20, and 9 times 3 is a 27, because 27 times 1 is a 27, so no change. So 27 by 20 we can write 7 by 20. How? Because 27 divide 20, so 1 time 0, so the remainder is 7. So 7 by 20 is our answer. So Therefore, we are trying to solve all math of question 3 where we are simplification of a fraction. So this video we will not continue anymore. So part 3 done. Last two part we were drawing multiplication and division, which is important, and simplification also more important than anything, because here need to more concentration. So please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and click the bell button. Thank you.